Dear students, now I am going to explain for you types of computer. In that last video, I already discussed about types of computers. Types of computers are classified by four types. On that four types, I explained for you two types. That is size one type. One more is capacity and storage. These two classifications are I explained before in this video. Now I am going to explain remaining two types. Okay, on the two types, third one is generation. Generation means the development of computer system is normally discussed as the development over different generations. Let us now discuss the development in computer technology over the different generations. In this generation, we had to say mainly means five types are there. There are five generations of computers. A major technological developments are there in these five types of generations. Now, first generation. First generation is started in 1940 to 1956. In this first generations, we are using for vacuum tubes. It is used a magnetic drums. It had 1000 circuit per square feet. Very and large, heavy and large in size. Very expensive also. First generation is very expensive and very large in size also. In this first generation we are using vacuum tube. Okay, for example we have to say means first generation ENIAC. ENIAC means electronic numeric integrator and computer. Now second generation. Second generation's computers are used to transistors for circuitry in place of vacuum tube. In this we have to say means circuit compared to the first generation, only first generation is 1000 circuits, but in the second generations we are using translations of circuits in this 1 lakh circuits per square feet. It's compared to the first generation. Second generation is size is smaller to first generation. First generation is very slow to giving the data, and second generation is faster than to the first generation, so it is less expensive also. In this we have to say mainly examples means we are using IBM 1400 series and 1600 series we are using in this second generation. Next one is third generation. In this third generation's computers are used in integrated circuits. In this integrated circuits means compared to the second generations, in this third generations 10 million circuits per square feet. It's compared to the second generation, and third generation is smaller in size, faster and more aquatic than to the second generations, less expensive to the compared to the second generation also. In this third generation third generation is started in 1964 to 1971. Example we have to say in third generation means this also IBM series, but 360 IBM series and ICL 1900, Honeywell 200, like this series we are using in this third generation 1964 to 1971. And next one, fourth generation. The fourth generation's computers are used microprocessor. Microprocessors means chips. Now we are using also microprocessor chips only. Now fourth generation's computers is depending upon to the microprocessors. It have thousands of integrated circuits on a single chip. Smaller in size also, cheaper and faster. Very easy to handle. If very easy to handle, it's like a laptop. Laptop and hand handled devices are invented in this fourth generations. Okay, now we are using in this fourth generation systems only, we are using desktops, laptops, phones, like this we are using in this fourth generations microprocessor chips, single chip. Now fifth generations is Fifth generations means presence and beyond. Presence and beyond we are using. The fifth generation's computers were based on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. This generation is still in development. This generation is still in development. It have a high speed logic and memory chips, high performance also, and intelligence and has ability to take a decisions on its own. And examples we have to say means robot, mini robot, like this we have to say. These are the five generations of computer. First generation is 1942 1956, second generation is 1956 to 1963, third generation is 1964 to 1971, fourth generation is 1971 to till present. We are using fourth generation systems only. Now fifth generation means present and beyond means development of technology is very expensive and very high also, like it is artificially intelligence like robots. We are using these types of technology development. These are the five generations we are saying to classifications of types of computers. And next one is next classifications types of computers: general purpose and special purpose. In this general purpose computers, those which can perform varieties of functions. The programs are not permanently stored but input as the time of executions. These computers are depending upon the software. Various tasks can be accomplished such as writing, like editing MS Word, pictures, to do the editing of Photoshops. Like this softwares we are using generally purpose means perform a varieties of functions, so we are using this general purpose of softwares. And next special purpose means special purpose computers is the one that is designed to perform a specific task. It is designed to perform a specific task. So in this we have to say means to give the instructions to carry out the task as permanently stored in the machines. Such computers are not varieties. They can only perform the task they are performed to do again and again also. They are used to traffic light control system, weather forecasting, and launching satellites. Like this we are using special purpose softwares we are using in these types of computer. And general purpose means such as writing and editing, doing like this we are using in this general purpose. Okay students, are you understand? These are the four types of classifications types of computer. First one is sizes, classification, sizes and base. Second one is size and processing capacities. Third one is generations, and fourth one is special and general purposes. These are the types of computers we are classified in this. Okay, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.